Aloha and welcome back to my channel. In today's videos, I will unbox and review 3 pairs of shoes that I recently purchased from Dolce&Gabbana. But before we start, I would like you to know what I'm wearing right now. I'm wearing an Aloha shirt, courtesy from INC. I love these shirts a lot. It's because of the bold print and the colors, and it really suits me. So let's start unboxing. So what do we have here in box number 1? So box number 1 comes with one dust bag. I don't understand how come Dolce&Gabbana they only provide one dust bag for a pairs of shoes, but it's really hard to fit in for like a pair of shoes in one dust bag. So it also comes with sturdy box color brown. And ta-da! So this is the turtle dove black color but with red colors. So I'm gonna show you guys the front. Here's the front view of the shoes, and also on the other side has a Dolce&Gabbana print, and at the back is also have a Dolce&Gabbana print in red color. So I can't resist to only have one color, which I had previously unboxed. If you guys scroll down on my videos, it's color white turtle dove. So I'm gonna tell you guys about the materials that NS1 sneakers collections material. So NS1 sneakers are made of suede mesh Napa leather for 15% nylon, 15 calfskin, 15% elastane, 7% PVC, 5% rayon, 3% acetate. And I bought these shoes for $775, so tax is not included, and my size of the shoes is 43. What I love about these shoes is I love Dolce&Gabbana shoes a lot. As you can see, my collection, I love their shoes so much. It's because of the bold print DNG, and also the details of the shoes is extremely beautiful, and that's why I love collecting their shoes. Okay, let's proceed to box number 2. So box number 2. And also this box comes with one dust bag. And ta-da! So this is a stretch mesh SORRENTO sneakers with painted heels on sleeve. So I'm gonna tell you what I love about these shoes. Before anything else, I'm going to show you guys the front. So this is a slip-on SORRENTO front, back, both sides. So with a Gabbana print in gold. I love the shoes a lot. Stretch match SORRENTO sneakers comes in 3 different colors. Come with red, green, and black and white. So the one that I have is black and white. I love the black and white color because you can wear it with any like color shirts or jeans. So yeah, so let's dig into to the materials that's being used on the external part of the shoes. So 90% is made of polyester and 10% of it is rayon. And internal composition of the shoes is 80% made of calfskin, 15% nylon, and 5% polyurethane. So purchased shoes for $775, and I have it for a while already. That's my first purchase of Dolce&Gabbana shoes. I love it. So that's why I'm in love with Dolce&Gabbana. It's just because of this pairs that I purchased. So yeah, thank you so much. So on our third box, so what we have here is box number 3. So it comes with one dust bag. And ta-da! So this is the SORRENTO sneaker slip-on. So with Italy flag accent or colors or design, whatever you want to say. So okay, let me show you guys the front first. So look at the big and bold Dolce&Gabbana print. So here's the side of the first. Here's the other side, green. So I'm gonna tell you guys what this is made up of. So this is a multicolor that only comes with one, so that's why I bought it. External composition is made of 90% polyester and rayon and 10% rayon. Internal composition is 80% made of calfskin, 15% made of nylon, and 5% made of polyester. So what I like about these shoes is this is only their limited edition. So that's the reason why I bought it, and it's also very comfortable to your feet. So yeah, and I bought it for $795. So tax is not included. So that's all for today, and thank you so much for watching. If you have any comments or questions regarding with these videos, please comment down. And if you haven't subscribed on my channel, please subscribe now for the latest updates on my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned. Bye.